સ્ટાર્ટ થતું છે થોડું.
અચ્છા તો 2:55 5 મિનિટ પછી ચાલુ.
નહીં નહીં, એ તો થઈ જશે, હમણાં થઈ જશે. હું લાઈવ બતાવું છું, પતશે એટલે સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. ગ્રુપમાં મોકલી દીધું છે. થઈ ગયું છે સ્ટાર્ટ. ઓન કરી દો.
5 મિનિટ નહીં તમે મૂકવા તો છો અમે છે ને તમે ઓન કરી રાખો ધીરો કરી એટલે આ તો બસ એટલે ને અવાજ એ તો તમે કમેન્ટ જુઓ કમેન્ટ અહીંથી દેખાય. કંઈ તમે ચાલુ પર ના બતાવો.
So welcome back students to the new session. All right, it's a revision session. Well, last time I told you I'll do chemistry, but then yesterday Dharmendra sir put maths in the timetable. So and one more thing, there was demand to do revision of surface area and volume. Someone asked me, Deep Patel, right? He asked me to do the revision of this chapter. So I said, let me take opportunity for two reasons. One, in your timetable maths is given and this boy is asking for revision of surface area volume. So I'll do those sums today. Okay? Of course, I've given you the revision and questions for the preparation of board examination. Right? In section D, 4 marks questions will be given. Or it will be asked, and I think I've given you 24 questions, so you may open that revision, I mean the assignment section D, all right, in which you have from chapter number 13, surface area and volume. There are in all 24 word problems to solve. Let's see how many we can solve during this session, and we'll continue and solve in the next session with objectives as well. All right, today we'll see the word problems. Okay, can I start the word problems? Yes. All right, once again in this system I'll have to read, explain and then write and solve, correct? Okay, so here's the first question. Rashid got a plain top. We call it lattu in Hindi. You must have played with the top, right? Rope. All right. As his birthday present. All right. Which surprisingly had no color on it. There was no color on the top. All right. He wanted to color it with crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by hemisphere as shown in the figure. All right. Now here is the cone surmounted by a hemisphere. Correct, children? This is top. There are two words. Top has two meanings. Top is the extreme part, upper part, or top is also a toy. It's one tool for playing, correct? Okay, so be careful with the word top. The top is shaped like a cone. You can see cone surmounted by a hemisphere. उसके ऊपर hemisphere है, right? He wanted to, the entire top is 5 centimeter in height. The entire top. That means starting from the topmost to the bottommost point. Okay? Now this is the height of the entire top. Height. I'm putting the word. Alright? I hope that is in vision. Is this in the vision?
Yes.
Alright, fine. Okay. So the total height is 5 centimeter. Okay, and the diameter of the top is 3.5 centimeter. So this will be of the same size, children. This will be of the same size. Alright, diameter for both the hemisphere and the cone is same. So, alright, this is radius, radius and radius. Alright, that is the radius of the hemisphere. And for cone, this is height h, this is radius and this is slant height. Children, I am going to put two words here. One is hemisphere, hemisphere, and other is cone. See how I am writing. One in capital, other in small letters. For hemisphere, we have only radius. For cone, we have height, radius and slant height. Height, radius and slant height. Sometimes we do not require any one of this. Then we can just exclude it. Right? Now what is given? The diameter is how much here? Diameter is 3.5. Yes, diameter for both. Here I will use capital D. Capital D is the diameter of conical part and small d is the diameter of hemispherical part. And that is how much? 3.5 centimeter. So this is 3.5 centimeter. So obviously radius will be 3.5 divided by 2. That is 35 by 20 if you remove the decimal. Correct? 5 4s are 5 7s are. So radius is 7 upon 4 centimeter. Here also it's going to be the same, 7 upon 4 centimeter. Because radius of hemispherical part and conical part both are equal. Now it's very interesting. This is total height. Now what is the total height of this top? From this point to this point, which is equivalent to this point to this point. But how much is this? Small r. And how much is this? Capital H. So total height phi is small r plus h. So I got one equation. 5 is equal to r plus h. What is available? Small r is available. So phi is equal to 7 by 4 plus h. So phi minus 7 by 4 is h. Take LCM. LCM is 4. 4s are 1s are. 20 minus 7 is h. So h is 13 by 4 centimeter. So you got height 13 by 4 centimeter. Is that okay? 5 4s are 20 minus 7 is 13. Okay. Now you are supposed to find the cost of painting. Correct? He is going to put paint with crayon. Correct? Find the area he has to color. Well, cost you don't have to find. How much area will Rashid color? Correct? So, कहाँ color करना होगा? Yes, this conical part का curved surface और hemispherical part का भी curved surface. So, area under painting will be the curved surface area of hemisphere and the curved surface area of cone. Alright. I'm putting this word title area under painting या coloring. I'm putting this title. Required area is curved surface area of hemisphere जो या small letter है hemisphere plus yes conical part का curved surface area of cone. Alright. Now children, first thing, it's very important that you know all the formula. And more important that is using those formula correctly at the right place, right time. Alright? So now tell me, what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? ये hemisphere का curved surface area क्या होगा? Yes, correct. It's 2 pi r square. Now hemisphere, small letters are there. So I'll use that 2 pi r square. That is curved surface area of hemisphere. Now very interesting. Now you have curved surface area of cone. And what is the formula for curved surface area of cone? Yes, it is pi r l. But remember, I have used capital letters. So R is capital, L is capital. अब पता चला कि L is not there. So हमें L पहले ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Correct? Curved surface area. So this calculation is going to be very tough. Alright? Now बोलिए, what you will do? Use Pythagoras to find L. L square is equal to x square plus r square. L square is equal to x square plus r square. Well, what is r square? 7 by 4. So square करेंगे तो 49 by 16. और what is h? h क्या मिला? 13 by 4. That is 169 by 16. अब टोटल कीजिए 16. 9 plus 9, 18, 1, 11 and then 2. Children, बड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई ये कैलकुलेशन में. This calculation is going to be very tough now. What shall we do? Okay, so L is square root of 218 upon 16. All right. Now what shall we do? Yeah, 218 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16. 5 is left 8. 16 3s are 48. So that is 10 is left 0.0. 16 6 are 96. 40 and then 16 2s are. So that is square root of 13.62. Now square root of 13.62 would be how much? Well, वो भी करना पड़ेगा. 13.62 approximate value. 3 3s are 9. ये minus ये plus 6 4. Then 6 2 you can bring down. Right? What you will have now? 6 8s are 48. 67 7s are. Can we try that? 49 oh 42 and 46. थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया. So 66 6s are 36 3 and 39. So 6s are 396. 66 6 are. ये plus ये minus. So ये 12 में से 6 15 में से 9 6 and this will be 0. And then point, then you can take 0 0. Your total 72. Children will have a little bit of practice of finding square root by division method. Later in one of the session we'll do that. Okay. Now 7 कितना जाएगा? 7 6 are 42. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are. Can we take 9s are? 9 9s are 81, 8, 18, 26, 2, 63 and 65. Children, so 9s are, approximately 9s are. So, now you have already two places of decimal. So, when you are taking square root, आपको 1 लेना होगा. So, you got L is approximately 3.69 centimeter. Do this calculation again, please. The calculations sometimes are very tough when you are solving the word problems of surface area and volume, especially when you have to find square root or cube root, and if those numbers are not perfect square or perfect cubes respectively. Alright, so now okay, this is, now you have the value of L as well. L is 3.69 approximately. Chaliye, 2 into pi, 22 upon 7, r square. That is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 plus pi. That is 22 upon 7. R. What is R? Once again 7 by 4. I'll erase this part. Into L. which is approximately 369 upon 100. Okay, chaliye. Now if you can take something common, yes, 22 upon 7 is common, 7 upon 4 is also common, so take those two terms common, 22 upon 7 into 7 by 4, that is common. Calculations will be tough. Okay, 2 into 7 upon 4 plus 369 upon 100. Alright, 2 ones are 2 twos are 7 7, 2 twos are 2 11s are. So ultimately you got 11 upon 2. This is okay. LCM is going to be 100. Ye 50s are and this ones are 57s are 350 plus 369. So this is 5.5. Correct? Multiplied by क्या आएगा 9, 11, 9 and upon 100. So that is 9 point. Alright, 9.19 multiplied by 5.5. 0. 5 nines are 45. 9 fives are 45. Alright. Same 4, 5, 9, 5, 5, 4, 15, 0 and 5. And you have 1 and 2, 3 places of decimal. So that is 50.545. Therefore, required area is so many centimeters square. Hope I have not made mistake in any calculations. Okay, but you can do your calculation yourself and check out. Okay, right now the area that he has to color of the top is 50.545 approximately. There may be bit variation in the answer, but that is okay if it is negligible. Alright? So that was the first sum. Alright. So moving on to the next one. I'll be writing from right to left so that whatever is written is in your vision. If I write from left to right, then yes, what I've written earlier will be hidden by my body, right? I think so somewhere I made mistake. Calculation. Children, there is a chance that I have made mistake in the calculation here a little bit. You solve yourself. That is the formula. How to establish the formula is very important. Okay. Next one, a decorative block shown in the figure. Okay, I'll draw the figure first, right? Here is one decorative block. Alright? It's made up of two solids. A cube, the blue one, and a hemisphere. Alright? The base of the block is cube with edge 5 centimeter. ये जो पूरा block है, उसका base नीचे, it is made up of cube with edge 5 centimeter. So each side is 5 centimeter. Okay. A hemisphere fixed on the top has diameter 4.2 centimeter. There is one hemisphere fixed on the top of this cube and it has diameter 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block. Okay children, total surface area मतलब क्या? Yes, block का first face, front face, back face, right face, left face, bottom face, and top face is not complete because on the top, what is mounted? Hemisphere. So how much area of the top is excluded? Yes, the base area of hemisphere, which is circular. And what is added? Yes, the top curved surface area of hemisphere will have to be added. The whole structure, which is combination of two solid, is block here, and you are asked to find the total surface area of the block. So there are different ways of doing it. You may say the required surface area is surface area of all 6 faces, but from there you will have to remove this part. 6 faces में से ये इतना निकल जाएगा, plus the curved surface area of hemisphere. All right, children, please pay attention. Hemisphere. I've written in capital. Please make a note of that. And cube. All right. Cube का सिर्फ length है और hemisphere का सिर्फ radius होता है या diameter होता है. ये radius. So I'm writing radius here. All right. Well, what is the edge of the cube? Each edge of the cube given? Yes, 5 centimeter. And what is the radius given, children? Radius is 4 in fact diameter. So diameter is 4.2 centimeter. So what will be the radius? What is half of 4.2? Yes, 2.1 centimeter. All right, clear? Okay. Now very important thing is the formula derivation. How to establish the formula? See children, required surface area is total surface area of cube. उसकी 6 साइड है, all 6 साइड ले लेते हैं. Total surface area of cube माइनस उसमें से कितना निकालना होगा ये बात, करेक्ट? माइनस द बेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर और उसमें क्या प्लस करेंगे? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. चलिए स्टार्ट राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला वन बाय वन. What is the total surface area of cube? Yes, it has 6 faces and each face has the same area. Each face is a square with length L. So L square. Area of one face is L square. So area of 6 faces will be 6L square, small letter L square, minus the base area of hemisphere. The base of hemisphere is circular. The formula to find area of circle is pi r square. लेकिन ये hemisphere की बात है, so capital R, pi r square. All right. Plus the curved surface area of hemisphere. Can you tell me what is curved surface area of hemisphere? Yes, it is 2 pi r square. Once again, capital letters 2 pi r square. That is equal to 6L square. These are like terms. Minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square will be plus 1 pi r square. Chaliye, go for the substitution of values. 6 into L, that is 5 into pi plus pi. Is any value mentioned? 3.14? No. So you can use 22 upon 7 into R, that is 21 upon 10, 2.1 into 21 upon 10. 7 ones are 7 threes are. All right. Can you cancel anything else? No. 6 5s are 30 and 30 5s are 150 plus. Now this is 21 into 66. 0, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 6. 6, 8, 3, 1. And upon 10 tens are 100. So that will be 13.86. That gives me total of 163.86. What is this? Area. I'm going to put only one word. Area. And it has to be centimeter square. Centimeter square. So area is 163.86 centimeter square. Clear, children? Okay. Children, let me leave out calculations in some sums so that we can solve more number of word problems. Correct? Important thing is here. यहाँ तक का आपका solution बहुत important है. Of course the rest is also important. वो calculation करने के बाद correct answer आना चाहिए, right? But ये आ गया, फिर तो आपको सिर्फ substitute करके simplify करना है. So I may leave that calculation for you to do at home. Is that clear? But if I do all the calculations, then though I'm taking a session of 1 hour, very few word problems would be solved. Okay? So let's see the next one. Yeah, wherever the circumstances demand calculation, I'll go for it. Okay? Check. So that was the second one. From section D, assignment given to you. All these questions are very important for your board examination. Right now, we are solving the word problems related to area. Alright? I think in today's session, we'll be able to do only the area section. Okay? Chaliye. Can we see the next one? Okay. Number 3. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. A cone is mounted on a cylinder. Actually, the figure is already given to you. This is a cylinder, correct? And on top of it, you have a cone, correct? I'm writing cone capital and cylinder small letter. All right. What is given here now? The height of entire rocket, a pura structure formed by combination of cylinder and cone is a rocket. The entire height of the rocket is 26 centimeter. All right. Let's show it. From here till here, the height is 26 centimeter. All right. And the height of the conical part is 6. Where is the conical part? The red one. Capital use किया है, so capital H, capital R and capital L. And this is right angle. This height, all right, this is 6 centimeter. All right, fine. This is the total height. The base of the conical portion has diameter 5 centimeter. जो conical portion है, उसका diameter that is 5 centimeter. So obviously radius will be 5 by 2 centimeter. Correct? Okay. While the base diameter of cylindrical portion is 3 centimeter. Now you come to know this diameter of cylindrical portion is only 3 centimeter. दोनों का diameter same नहीं है. So this has to be little bit smaller. Cylinder has to be little bit smaller. All right. Children, there are no pictures here. That's why we made mistake here. All right. So what is the diameter for cylindrical portion? 3 centimeter. And what is the diameter of conical part? It's 5. So that is larger. Now it looks like rocket, right? Okay. If conical portion is to be painted orange, ये जो conical portion है, you have to paint orange. All right. And the cylindrical portion yellow. ये जो cylindrical portion है, you have to paint it yellow. All right. Find the area of the rocket painted with each of their colors and take pi is equal to 3.14. वो बताया है आपको. So let's see. Okay. Fine. Each area. So how much area orange color is done, and in how much area yellow color is done. So we have to find the area separately. Now orange color कहाँ apply किया गया? Yes, on the curved surface area of cone. And yellow paint is applied where? Only on the curved surface area of cylinder. So बड़ा आसान है. Area under painting. I'll put this title and painting only the orange part. I'm putting the formula now. Required area. बोलिए, what is curved surface area of cone? Yes, pi r l. Cone capital में लिखा गया है. So pi capital R L. Once again we are missing out something. We will require L, and L is not there. You have H, you have R, correct? So we'll have to use that formula. बोलिए, L square is equal to R square plus H square. This L square is equal to R square plus H square. Now what is R square? That is 5 by 2, so 25 by 4. H square, that is 36. So that gives me, okay, upon 1, 4, 36 fours are. What will be 36 fours are? 24, 2 and 144. So 25 plus 144, 169 upon 4. Okay, at least this time it's a beautiful number. Square root easily मिल जाता है. So L is equal to 13 upon 2. Alright, now you got the value of L. Put the values. You are supposed to take 3.14. So 3.14 upon 100. Capital R 5 by 2. ठीक है. And L 13 by 2. Bas whatever is the product after little bit of simplification. That is your answer. Required area जो भी होगा centimeter square. So much is the area in which orange paint is applied. Now I'll put the another title, area under painting. Alright, and this time which color? Yellow. Now tell me where the yellow color is applied. Yes, it is applied only on the curved surface area of cylinder. So बोलिए, required area is curved surface area of cylinder. You may write that. And what is the formula? आपको पता है? Yes, 2 pi, cylinder की बात, 2 pi r h. Children, you have only diameter. So what is radius? 3 by 2 centimeter. और height नहीं है. Height भी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. कैसे? ये जो total height है, this total height from this point to this point is same as from this point to this point, which is h equal to plus, and this is small h, correct? H plus h. So you got the equation. 26 is equal to h plus h. Now capital H, you know how much is that? 6. So 26 is equal to 6 plus h. So 20 is equal to h. So h you got 20. 2 into 314 upon 100 into radius 3 by 2 into height 20. Bas, whatever is the calculation. Once again, this is area, so centimeter square. So area in which orange paint is applied is so many centimeters square, and area in which yellow paint is applied is whatever here. Alright, I am leaving the calculation for you to do. Is that clear? Okay, so that was number 3. Now the fourth one, that is also important for your board examination. Alright. Alright, before reading, I'll draw the figure first, so that while I'll read, I can show you those figure, correct? Alright. This is the figure for the next word problem. Mayank made a bird bath. Yes, some sort of thing for birds to have bath. You can see a cylindrical portion and this portion is hollowed out. It's hemispherical depression. Put water here, birds can have water, drink water as well as have bath here. So that's why this structure, alright, is called bird bath. So Mayank made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of cylinder with hemispherical depression. ये cylindrical portion है with hemispherical depression at one end. See the figure. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter. Alright, and its radius is 30 centimeter. Children, meter, centimeter दिया है. Be careful. Find the total surface area of the bird bath. Children, what is your target? Total surface area of bird bath. Total surface area क्या आएगी? ये curved surface. ये तो hollow है. Cylinder is hollow. Correct? Okay. So simply curved surface area of cylinder and the curved surface area of hemisphere. That will be the total surface area of the bird bath. Bird bath में है क्या? एक depression है which is hemispherical, उसकी curved surface area आएगी और cylinder की curved surface area. So required surface area of bird bath is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. और दो चीज है तो मैं यहां लिख रहा हूं hemisphere and cylinder. Right? Height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter. This height of the cylinder H is 1.45 meter. Alright? And diameter, in fact radius is 30 centimeter. Correct? Now radius for hemisphere and cylinder both are going to be equal. But I put hemisphere capital. So this is capital R, capital R, capital R. And this is small r. Capital R is equal to small r. दोनों same ही है. R same ही है. So okay, capital R is how much? 30 centimeter. वो भी 30 centimeter होगा. Alright. Let's put the formula now. Required area is curved surface area of hemisphere plus the curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder. Chaliye. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? Yes, 2 pi r square, capital R square, plus what is the curved surface area of cylinder? Yes, 2 pi r h. Children, I'm telling you and telling you again and again, please remember this formula and use it correctly when you need them to use. Okay? Chaliye. Well, 2 into 22 upon 7, capital R, 30 into 30. Should I convert into meter? 30 upon 100 meter. So 30 upon 100 into 30 upon 100. I've converted into meter. Alright. Plus 2 into 22 upon 7. Small r, that is 30. And h, 1.45. वो मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया. So yeah, decimal ही रहेगा 1.45. I remove the decimal, so upon 100. What is common? 30 is common. 22 upon 7 is common. 2 is common. थोड़ा common निकाल लीजिए, काम आसान बन जाएगा. Okay, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 30. That is common. And after taking common, what you are getting? Yes, 30 upon 100 into 100. Correct? Plus 145 upon 100. 0, 0 cancel. Right? यहाँ कुछ भी cancel होने वाला नहीं है. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 30. Now this is 3 upon 1000 plus 145 upon 100. Well, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into LCM is 1000. Alright. So here 1s are and 10s are. So 3 plus 1450. So that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 1453 upon 1000. This is area. So centimeter, actually meter square. क्योंकि हमने मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया है. Children, hope this is a multiple of 7. No. So again you are going to get a decimal point. Alright? Whatever may be the answer. आप calculation करो और get the answer. Is that clear? Calculations are going to be tough in certain sums. Okay? Well, इस तरह के calculation आप 5th standard से करते आए हैं. This type of calculation you started doing it in 5th standard. Alright? So you will have to do this. Have a nice practice of it. Okay. That was number 4. Now number 5. So on demand, I think I should not do any work on demand, because see, most of you, yes, have left, I think, because they think they know it, and that's fine. If you know, there's no need to waste time. Okay, I should, respect your decision, but then I hope the one who has demanded me to do this chapter is there live. Okay. Number 5. 2 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Alright? 2 cubes are joined end to end. And what is given? What information about this cube is given? Yes, the volume of each one is 64 cubic centimeter. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. आप जब दो क्यूब को कंबाइन कर देंगे तो एक शेप बन जाएगा and that will be cuboid. Correct? Alright. This is one cube. And this is other cube, right? Fine. Cube and cube, they are combined and it forms a cuboid. And you are supposed to find the total surface area of this cuboid. Well, simple common sense will give you the answer. What is the total surface area of one cube? 6L square. And what is the total surface area of another cube? 6L square. So 6 faces plus 6 faces. So that will give you 12L square. But both of them lose one face each where they are combining. Only 5 faces of blue cube remains exposed and 5 faces of red cube remains exposed. So, no need to use that formula of cuboid. Actually, total surface area of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. But no need to use that. Well, the required area is area of 5 faces of cube plus area of 5 faces of another cube. So, 10. And what is area of one face? L square. So, 10L square. Children, be careful. I am writing the word cube here. And required area is 10L square. इसका length नहीं दिया है. The length of the cube is not given. So what information we have? We have volume. Volume is 64 centimeter cube. I call this situation as extension of condition. Correct? What is the formula to find volume of cube? Yes, L into L into L. L. So L cube. So So you got 64 is equal to L cube. Take cube root on both sides. So this gives me L, and 64 is a very famous cube, perfect cube. It's 4. Therefore L is equal to 4. Yes, put the value 10 into 4 square, 10 into 16 and 160. Once again, you have found area and it is centimeter. So centimeter cube. ये L आपको 4 सेंटीमीटर मिल गया. And now you can easily find the total surface area. All right. So that was fifth one. Fine. Now moving on to the next one, and that is the sixth one. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Well, once again the vessel is formed by combination of two things, both hollow. You have a hemisphere, correct, surmounted by a cylinder. All right, this is the vessel. What are the details of vessel given to you? The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. All right. Hemisphere, ये diameter. All right, 14 centimeter है diameter. And the total height of the vessel is 13. ये पूरा height. That is 13 centimeter. All right. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. What is your target? What you are supposed to find? Inner surface area. बोलो inner surface area vessel की कौन सी है? Yes, the curved surface area of cylinder and the curved surface area of hemisphere. Formula पहले लिख देते हैं. Required area is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. बोलिए. Now I put those two words, cylinder and hemisphere. Sure. Hemisphere I put small letter, so you have radius. Sorry, for hemisphere you will have radius, this radius, smaller, and for this I am going to use capital. This height is h, capital R, h. Now total height, yes, it's from here to here, which is capital H, from here to here, so that total height is h plus r. So I'll write that formula. 13 is equal to h plus r. Radius तो दोनों का same होगा. If diameter of this is given 14 centimeter, yeah, diameter of hemisphere is given 14 centimeter here. So radius will be 7 centimeter. और दोनों का radius same है. So this is also 7 centimeter. Yes. Now put the value small r, h plus, that is 7 and that is 13. Therefore 13 minus 7 is equal to h. So h is equal to 6 centimeter. So that is 6 centimeter. Alright, fine. Now let's put all the values here. What is the formula to find curved surface area of cylinder? Cylinder capital letters use किया है. 2 pi r h plus hemisphere small letters. उसकी formula क्या है? 2 pi r square. Alright, substitute all the values. 2 into. Well, if you want, you can take 2 pi common, but after substituting the value, you do that. 22 upon 7, capital R, 7, H, 6, plus 2 into 22 upon 7, small r, 7, 7. Well, 2 is common, 22 upon 7 is common, and 7 is common. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 common. You are left with 6, and here you are left with 7. 7 cancels. This is 44 into 13. So 13 into 44. 0, 12, 1, 5. 12, 1, 5. 275. So that is 572. What is that? Area. Alright? And this will be centimeters. So that is the total inner surface area of the vessel. Alright? Okay? Well, that's all in this session. I am not going to continue anymore now. Alright? 6 sums I have done so far. Whether I have to continue this chapter tomorrow or not, myself and Dip will decide. Okay? And we'll see what we have to do tomorrow. Right? Yeah. Best, I'll start with chemistry. Okay? Tomorrow's session will be a chemistry session from my side. So see you in the next session. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye.